Let's talk obstruction versus interference, an extremely basic overview, just so you can tell the difference. In general, the offense interferes and the defense obstructs. We're not talking about running lane, catchers, bat, doesn't matter. We're just talking about the very simple interference and obstruction differences. Here's everything you need to know. All else equal, during a batted ball, the fielder has the right to field it. So when this happens during a batted ball, that is interference. Why? Because the fielder was impeded, here are your definitions by the way, from fielding the batted ball. We're going to go to the video and you're going to see again that the fielder has the right, per the rule, to field a batted ball, and the runner goes in front of him and impedes him from doing that job. He's not able to make a play on the ball. Why? Because of the runner. That's the definition of offensive interference. Obstruction, on the other hand, occurs not during a batted ball, during a thrown ball. The catcher standing in the way of the runner trying to score. That impedes the runner's progress. So, because that's not during a batted ball, that's obstruction. Here's another type of obstruction, where the fielder is supposed to, after missing the ball, become invisible. That's what the rule wants. The rule wants the fielder to go away. So when the runner trips over the fielder, remember the runner creates his own base path. That is the definition of obstruction. Now, if you're astute, you notice the first one was obstruction A and the second one's obstruction B. That's more complex than we're going to get into. We're just talking about, simply put, that on a non-batted ball, the fielder impeding a runner obstructs that runner. So let's get to the title card that tells you the general rule. In general, interference results in time, out. Obstruction can result in either a time or an award, or keep the ball alive and nullify the act. To find out the difference, visit us on closecallsports.com. Look at our video rule book that tells you awards and penalties, such as the difference between the two types of obstruction, A and B, or 1 and 2. And subscribe to us on this Close Call Sports YouTube channel, as well as on the website.